Hi, I'm Ben from Maglr, and in this video I'll show you how to create this page. We'll go over several features within Maglr, such as scrub on scroll, sticky elements, and keyframe animations. First, we're going to add a rectangle and change its color to black. Next, we'll add a video, and to achieve this scrolling effect, we'll use scrub on scroll. Make sure viewport is selected, and next to start, put the trigger point to top. As you can see, the video is not playing correctly, but that's because we haven't applied the sticky positioning yet. Set it to sticky on top and adjust the distance for how long the video should remain sticky. In this case, we'll use 1000 pixels. And that's how you set up a scrub on scroll video. But we're not done with the header yet. We'll add in a gradient as I'm doing here, and just like the video, we're gonna make it sticky. We're also going to add some borders around the video to give it some more definition. For the title section, we'll drag in 3 images. Each one will be animated so that they appear smoothly on the screen once the user scrolls down the page. Once the images are placed correctly, we'll group them and make them sticky as well. We'll also add an animation to this group. Now for this part, we'll put in an attention seeker. The seeker consists of 2 elements, and we're going to apply a bounce animation to the arrow. We'll then group the 2 elements together so we can add a keyframe animation. Set its pace position to start. We'll then set the opacity to 0 on both frame 1 and 2. And place frame 2 all the way down outside the canvas. Following this, set the group position to sticky. Let's add a new blue shape for our next section and use a mask to add in an image. Place the image over the shape, select both and apply the mask so that the image only shows within the shape. Now that we've built the header, you will see that steps like adding text, images and animations will come back multiple times. To avoid going over it again and again and again, we'll speed it up a little for the upcoming sections. For the video in this section, we'll also use scrub on scroll like we did in the header, but we'll use custom instead of viewport. To wrap up this last section, we'll add in a scroll to top button that, when clicked, takes the viewer all the way back to the top of the page. And to fully bring the design together, we'll put in stains all across the page and animate them. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you've learned something from this. Good luck, and we'll see you in the next one.